Well, hey folks, turkey season's long gone for 2022, and we had some success, but what I'd like to do is string some videos and some photos together from this year's hunt. I did a lot of hunting with my bow again, hunted mostly Pennsylvania with my bow, never got a bird to come in this year. They just eluded me. I didn't have much success in Pennsy. Took a bird in New York State and two in Nebraska, all with the shotgun. Hunting with other guys, it's too tough to hunt in a blind with a bow and somebody with a shotgun. It just sometimes just doesn't work out. So out in Nebraska and in New York, we hunted with a couple of friends of ours and, shotgun hunted, which is fine. I love shooting turkeys with a shotgun too, but the quest this year for a bird with my recurve just didn't work out again. And so I'd like to just string some photos together of this year's hunt and hope everybody else had a successful time. And well, here you go. There's a few pictures of me and the guys out in Nebraska and New York and Pennsylvania. Sunrise. We heard one gobble. That's it. Don't know where these birds are, but we're going to try going after them.